Welcome back to Glitch Sip, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access servers on consoles like Xbox, PlayStation 5, and Nintendo Switch. What we need to do is actually very simple. First, just press play, and here you'll be able to see all the different servers available. As you can see, these servers appear across all our worlds. We also have realms, which are very useful if you want to create 24/7 servers. Besides that, we have regular servers that are already ready to play inside Minecraft. For example, we have Lifeboat, which is a very popular server that has been around for many years in Minecraft Bedrock or Minecraft Pocket Edition. We also have the option to add a server manually. To do this, we simply need to click or press on Add Server. Here, we enter the server name. For example, we can type any name we want. Next, we need to enter the server address. As you can see on Xbox, this can be a little complicated, but you just need to type it in or copy and paste it. Finally, we enter the port. Once that's done, we just click Add Server or Add and Play, and that's it. This way, you can play on any server using Xbox, PlayStation 5, and Nintendo Switch. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and I'll see you in the next video.